Today I will teach you how to install Shark tool in Termux. First open the Play Store. After then search Termux and install it. And now after open the Termux and now give the first command pkg update space -y and pkg upgrade space -y and pkg install git space -y. I gave this command in description. Press enter. This package is installing. You can wait few minutes. It's slow work. This is depend on your internet speed. After that next command git clone. Paste the link and press the enter. I gave you in description. After then type ls, press enter. Then type cd shark and press enter. Type ls and press enter. Then chmod space plus x space divide symbols, press enter. Then /setup, press enter. This tool is installing. Allow Termux to access photos, media and files on your device. Allow. This package is installing. This tool N0 is installing. Just wait few minutes. Then type shark and press enter. Just wait few minutes. After then this tool is installing. This type shark and press enter, and type Y and press enter. Now your shark tool is completely installed. Like this video